How to change privacy setting in Roblox. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Roblox application or you can simply head toward the official website from any one of the web browser. Then after login with your account details. Once logged in, click on your profile icon and go to settings. Now in settings, simply go to privacy from your left hand side menu. In privacy, under all the category of contact settings and other settings, choose the option of everyone. If you have chosen off or friends for some option, simply choose everyone and save it. So that's it. That is how easily you can change privacy setting on Roblox account. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.